My jaw was broken when I was 18 years old. This led to a lot of discomfort while it was wired shut. Dealing with this at such a young age, 17, there wasn't much I knew to do to deal with it, and the doctors had prescribed opioid pain medications, which became my only answer to the problem. Once the wires came off of my teeth, they decided not to prescribe this pain medication anymore. And during this time, there was a very strong availability for painkillers on the street, which, being a young teenager in that scene, took advantage of that full well, which grew into a horrible addiction. There was the addiction and there was the pain, and they both kind of fueled one another. Every time I would make an attempt to get clean, the pain would come back and switch the addiction back on. It took everything from me. I made an attempt to get clean. It lasted for a little while, but the pain was still an ongoing issue. I hurt my back many years ago, and this pain was triggered again while I was in rehab, which made it very difficult to walk, especially first thing in the morning. Getting out of bed was an issue, going up and down stairs. It really wasn't until about 2 years ago that I realized that I needed a different solution, and I wasn't sure what that was going to be. The first step in that was to treat the addiction. I had to prepare myself to take care of that and then seek out what I can do to handle the pain. I got a primary care physician at Upstate Medical in downtown Troy. I explained the situation and what I was trying to do, and she said that she could refer me to one of the best physical therapy clinics in New York, and I thought this was just something that they were saying. So I tried to come here and be open-minded, which led to a full recovery. Being an addict in pain, it's a very hard thing to get through, and I know it took me some time to be open to receiving some help, but there are a lot of alternatives out there. The doctors will want to do surgery or prescribe more medications for it. And I would say save that for the last possible option. Give this a shot first. Having the option to take an alternative, I think, would have made a huge difference in my life altogether. I feel like I can walk a lot farther without having to stop and just settle for the pain. I can get up out of bed and with a few small exercises move on with my day without having a sense of pain, sparking any cravings or triggers in my lifestyle, and for that I am extremely grateful.